Welcome. In front of me, I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and I will show you how you can change icon's shape in this device. At the first, we have to get external application, so open Play Store and find X icon application. We have to get this done. This one to custom app icon and shortcut. Let's install. Right now, let's open. Let's mute this ad and turn it off. Sorry. Right now we have to pick icon. So I'm going to change size of settings. Right now we have to remove this watermark. So click here, tap to go to the desktop widget. And next we have to hold the home screen, click widgets, and then we have to find our X icon. Click, hold, put it to the home screen. Right now application will be opened again. Click on the right upper corner. And right now pick icon. And here, as you can see, we can change shape of our icon. I'm going to pick this one, for example. Click OK on the right bottom corner. Right now we have to turn off this ad. And as you can see, the shape of our settings icon has changed. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.